Do you have Acer Aspire 3 laptop? So if you are trying to boot your Acer laptop, then this is the right video for you. After watching this video, you will be also able to boot your Acer Aspire 3 laptop. But I think this trick will work on each Acer laptop. So if you want to know also how to boot your Acer laptop, then this is the right video for you. Just you have to watch this video until the last. Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. If you are watching this video first time, don't forget to subscribe and don't forget to press in the bell icon. So without any late, let's begin to boot our Acer laptop. So guys, now you can see here I am just pressing escape button. I think it will work in Acer, but if it didn't work, I'll do another thing. Okay, so I'm just pressing escape button. I think it is not working properly, so I think I need to restart the computer. So I am just going here and I am just clicking in the restart. So now you can see here my computer is restarting. Okay, so after that I think I need to press the F2 button. So now you can see here this is the F2, so I am just pressing F2. Okay, so now you can see here this is the BIOS setting of the Acer Aspire S3. Okay, so now I need to fix all the settings. Okay, so first of all you have to enable the F12 button, otherwise you will not be able to boot your Acer laptop. So now we can see I enabled the F12 key button, so that's why now you can see here I'm just pressing the F5 or F6 button to make it to change the value. So now we can see here I'm just changing this one. Okay, so it takes a little bit time, and now we can see here there is the two value option available. So now I am saving it by pressing F10 button. Okay, so after that I am just pressing enter. Okay, so guys, now we can see here first of all just you have to remember two things. First of all you have to enable the F12 button, and the second one is you have to now you can see here my there is showing the two, so I am choosing the USB and I'm just pressing enter. Okay, so before getting this window I press the F12 button, because before I enabled the F12 button, so that's why after pressing the F12 button now it will start to work. Okay, otherwise it will not work. Okay, so now we can see here my Windows 10 booting Windows is coming out. Okay, so now after that, so I can directly press in the next, and all the further process you can do easily. Okay, so like that. Hoping that you get few ideas about how to boot your Acer laptop. So if you have still any kind of confusion about this video, let me know in the comment section and I'll make a separate video on that topic also. So I'll come back with another new video. Until that, goodbye, see you again.